Cassia can help soothe the body. Cassia can also be used in cooking, either as a replacement for cinnamon in pies and breads. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Cassia or Cassia essential oil. A close relative to cinnamon, Cassia has a strong and spicy aroma that can be used in small quantities to transform any essential oil blend. Cassia has been used for thousands of years for its many health benefits. It's one of the few essential oils mentioned in the Old Testament, noted for its unmistakable fragrance and calming aromatic properties. Cassia is a warming oil that helps promote a healthy immune function when ingested. It also is a great oil to diffuse during cold months due to its warming properties and spicy scent. Due to its caustic nature, Cassia should be diluted with fractionated coconut oil from doTERRA, which I have right here. And so this will reduce the chance of irritation. It'll also help the essential oil absorb better into the skin, and it can cover larger surface areas. And then Cassia can be very strong when inhaled directly. When diluted and applied topically, Cassia can help soothe the body. Cassia can also be used in cooking, either as a replacement for cinnamon in pies and breads, or by itself in a myriad of entrees and desserts. The top 3 uses for Cassia with doTERRA is aromatic, so breathing it in. You can also use it topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, and then internally. The main benefits of Cassia are that it promotes a healthy digestion, supports your immune system, and is a flavorful spice in sweet dishes. The directions for use are substituting 1 drop of the Cassia per 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon in desserts. You can also place 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule, which I have right here from doTERRA, and so that's what this is. And then basically all you do is you take a capsule like so, you would open it, close it, and then take with food and water for best absorption, and that will be how to take it internally with the veggie caps. And then you can also diffuse wild orange to clean the air and uplift your mood with Cassia, or combine 1 drop of fennel and Cassia on the top of your hand and then lick it off for more energy. That will also help to cleanse your tongue and freshen your breath at the same time. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.